Merry Christmas!
What's up, y'all? Happy holidays! It is Christmas! Christmas. So I'm getting ready to run the tape back and show you guys what happened this morning when the girls opened up their gifts. If you are new to the channel, hey girl, hey. If you not new, thank you so much for coming back by. Happy holidays, y'all. So let's just go ahead and run the tape back, show you guys what happened this morning when the girls saw and opened their gifts. Come on, baby. Oh my goodness, Skylar. Sky Pie.
Alright, so we open them?
Are y'all ready to open your gifts? Grab and open. Grab and open.
Oh, look, yours right there, Summer, look, Summer. Yours right there, open yours right there. Yeah, open that one.
Look, this. Yeah, open all of these. God, what is that? You open yours up? Okay. Summer, Skylar, what is that? You don't know? What you mean you don't know? What is that, Summer?
Baby.
Boss baby. Skylar going through these ones. Skylar, you ain't playing.
I'm gonna open the big one last.
Okay. Save the big one for last. What is this? Play-Doh. It's your favorite. Here, girl. One over here, baby. What's something else? What's
What is that, Sir?
Open this one? Okay. Yeah, then she can buy it.
Oh, I did it.
I said recorder, she gonna love this.
Wow.
So you have a big gift. When are you gonna open the big gift?
How you know how to turn it on? You like that?
What is that?
Girl, what is that, girl?
You got a Barbie? You got a Barbie too?
Ooh.
What Barbie is that?
What is this?
Barbie.
Barbie. And what is that around her neck?
It's doctor.
Yeah, she a doctor. I knew you like a doctor.
Favorite season, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing. Favorite season. They said, "Say Nick, what you got?"
Who is this?
It's JJ.
It's a Paw Patrol.
I'll go to I can give you this.
I like it. This is something. What is this, Summer? What? You got a big girl
Well, I
gift.
got a robe.
Ooh.
JJ clothes. These are your panties.
Oh, it's got a robe.
That's a big one.
When you go to the party, you're going to put your JJ panties on. Yay!
How did he got JJ panties?
You ready to open that one?
Let's
go.
Let's
Hold on. Let me get you on camera.
You got a big one like me.
Summer got a big gift. Let's see what you have.
Let's see. What is that? Oh my goodness.
What is it, Summer?
It's different. It's coloring.
You gotta open it up more.
That. Whoa.
Whoa.
Is that cool?
Yeah, you get the color. Open it up here, Summer. I'll take it off. Is that what you wanted?
Are you excited?
Yeah, you gotta open your Barbie dolls, guys, so you can play with them in there.
What is this, Skylar?
A Barbie dream house.
A Barbie dream house.
Now look, press the toilet. You gotta press the toilet. The button
You gotta
on the
turn it
toilet.
on in the bed, baby.
Yeah.
Get it, girl.
Go some. Go some. Go some. Go some. Huh?
The elevator on the side over here. He got them cookies.
Right here.
Look, guys, look at mama.
Let me see your face, son.
Cheese. Look over here, guys. Look over here, Sky. Look over here, Summer.
Summer, look. Some.
Summer, say cheese. Cheese.
Happy holidays.
Eh.
Say, Summer, look. Say, Merry Christmas.
Guys, say Merry Christmas.
Alright, Summer. Alright, let me see our silly faces. Let me see our silly faces. Down, look. Let me see your silly face. Silly face.
Let's get in with them real quick, Daddy.
The camera, say, Merry Christmas.
Let me make sure they're coming out right.
You got cookies, girl.
Oh, Daddy cut out.
Let me see them cookies. Let me see them cookies, girl. Right here. You got cookies.
All right, let's do
There's
it.
muffins. You got muffins? Muffins. What are we looking at?
Right there, my phone.
Alright, Summer, look.
Look at the phone.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say
Uh-oh.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Now we done.
Yeah, we're done.
Right.
Thank you, girls.
Hey, open your toys.
I'm gonna open this toy first.
Open JJ.
What is this? Where do you got this from? Why are you messing with me ball all the time? You messing with me stuff. Open the toy up.
Look, guys, I am cooking in the kitchen. The girls are done opening up their gifts. Me and Sean get ready to open up our gifts. We initially was not going to do like Christmas for each other, but I was like, you know what? We deserve gifts and we deserve to, you know, like just get some gifts for each other. Anyways, so what we did this year, we did it a little different. Instead of just like, you know, getting the other person something, we did 2 bowls. One bowl, the limit I think was like $700, so it was a big gift. Whatever we wanted, a big gift. We put 5 things in the bowl and we picked one for the other person. Y'all get me? And then we got a small gift, like a $50 gift. It had to be $50 and under. So I can't tell y'all what I got them, but you guys are getting ready to see because we're getting ready to open our gifts. But it makes it exciting because I put all of these things that I want, but I don't know specifically what he got me, so it just makes it exciting. So I'm like, yeah, we're gonna have to start doing this every single year. But let me finish cooking breakfast. Y'all, we don't have no bacon. All we have is turkey bacon, and I haven't had this turkey bacon before. I'm gonna try it just because I want like some meat. But I'm cooking eggs, pancakes. For our beverage this morning, I'm gonna make some mimosas. So we have orange juice, and here we have some champagne. This is extra dry.
Say bye-bye. Say Merry Christmas.
You said Merry Christmas, Toms?
Some look, come here, look, someone look.
You have any idea what it is?
Yeah.
What?
I don't want to say.
Whoa.
Rip it open.
Haha.
Did you think it was that?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's the virtual reality thing.
Oh, I heard about those. Those things are cool. Is
Yeah.
there a VR headset? Oh, that's cool.
Just shoot up. Okay, let's do it. Ooh.
The extra dry.
Yeah. Cece them about this. This is for them. Yeah. You said Merry Christmas, baby?
Merry Christmas.
How you like? What you think about your gift?
No, I'm ready to play this, but I know I gotta play Barbie House first, so
Right.
I'll put this away. But
Barbie
see how
though.
this is. I heard a lot of good reviews
Reviews.
about this.
He about to be playing Barbie House all day.
I know.
So here's my gift. He picked car payment. So boom. And then I got Ulta. Did you like that? Picking out.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. Like we're gonna start doing that for everything. Like even birthdays, I think that'd be cool. Cause it was still like surprise.
Yeah.
What other $50 things you got?
I already knew it was this.
I knew you did.
Cause I knew it wasn't no good. Because you asked me. No, I put this on one and
Yeah, you told me you was gonna put all of them, so I was like, there ain't getting none of that.
then shoes. I know you.
Go. Or you put too much.
Microwave.
I bought that with Mommy for you.
Yeah.
Skylar, thank you for not telling Daddy. You did an awesome job keeping our secret. It's the
Come on.
welcome, baby.
Take a mom.
You're welcome, baby. You're welcome, baby. Breakfast good, Sams? Mm-hmm. Yes. Good.
Yeah, take a big night.
What's up, y'all? So it is later on in the day. It's like 10 o'clock at night to be exact. And y'all, today's been super chill. I took like 2 naps. How was your Christmas?
Good, and I got Barbie tree house.
Are you excited? Is that what you wanted? Yeah. Summer, how was your Christmas?
And I got a baby doll and I got a pink doll.
Ah. Summer, how was your Christmas?
And I didn't know Sarah was gonna get this gift.
Oh, you didn't know she was gonna get that?
What is this?
It's an easel. Just act like you don't even see it.
This is like a booty.
just act like you don't even.
Oh, a booty. Oh,
How's your Christmas, baby?
My Christmas was great. How was your Christmas?
It was amazing.
no.
Cause I got
It didn't really feel like Christmas. It just feel like a holiday where we just gave presents and received
right.
presents.
It really didn't. Why you think that? Cause we wasn't like.
We didn't really watch no Christmas movies.
We ain't do. Y'all, I was so tired today. I took 2 naps. Like I was out. Yeah, I got shined the what is it? Oculus.
Quest 2.
But homegirl think it's hers. Skylar is loving that thing. But it's really cool. Like you can watch YouTube on it. You can watch a whole lot of different things on it. Ooh. You showing them Liberty? I really like that. Like we all gonna be using it. Ooh.
No flight delivery.
But the girls getting ready to get their bath. We're getting ready to call it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed pretty much watching us open up our Christmas gifts today.
Hey.
So what?
No,
You got toast? So what?
No flight delivery.
It's toast. You like toast?
Ready for lunch.
Smells like summer did something.
She stinks.
Ooh.
Summer stinky. I have to change her diaper.
What?
No, you do it, Daddy.
Thank you, Sky.
Bathroom.
No, Daddy do it.
You do it, Daddy.
Alright, you gonna tell them bye?
Mommy always do it.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Thank Thank you.
Thank you.
No, mommy always do it.
I always do it too.
Who do it more, Sky? Mommy. Pretty much.
Who do it more?
You do it.
What?
You do it, Mama.
Thank you.
Who do it more? Alright, but Sky, who you want to give you a bath, me or mommy?
Oh my God.
What? Stop. Hey, they on the camera.
Who gives the best
Who
bath?
gives the best bath?
Mommy or daddy?
Who gives the best bath? Yeah.
And who gives the best bath, Summer? Mommy or daddy?
My daddy.
Yeah.
Are you serious? Summer, you traitor. Summer, you a traitor. I'm gonna cover your face. You a traitor. You a traitor. What are you doing? What's that? Is that a new thing? He's so silly. Is that a new thing? All right, Summer, you guys say good night.
Good night. Good night, guys.
Oh, you guys say see you guys in the next video.
See you guys in the next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button. Join the Squaw family. Bye.
Hey, you did good, girl.
Bye.
Good job.